How to reverse videos on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Guide. In today's video, let's learn how to reverse videos on Snapchat. Now, previously, whenever you took a video and if you swipe left, you would have an option of reverse. First is slow option, the fast option, and then you'd have an option of reverse. But however, that option now has been removed from Snapchat. In this case, you cannot reverse the video within the app of Snapchat. So what I suggest you to do is, if it is a snap that you took, you can tap on save and download the video to your phone. Or if you already have the video, you can use any other third-party applications or video editors to reverse the video. For today, I'm going to use the app of CapCut because it is the easiest one to reverse or edit videos in general. So just download the application of CapCut. This is the app right here. You can find it on the Play Store and the App Store. Just download it and open it up. Tap on New Project and select the video. For now, I'm just going to select the stock video. Select video and tap on Add. Once the video has been added, as you can see, this is the video. Now to reverse it, on the bottom, you'll see all of these options. Just tap on the video on the timeline like this. Make sure the video is selected and then swipe left. And here you'll see an option of reverse besides copy and freeze. Tap on the reverse option and the video will start to reverse. If it is a longer video, it will take some time. And once the reverse is done, you can play the video and you'll see that the video is completely reversed. Now to send this as a snap, just export it to your phone. Tap on the arrow on the top right and this video will export to your phone. Once the export is complete, you can now open up your Snapchat and just upload the video that you reversed. Tap on the camera roll option and select the video. And you can send it as a snap or add it to your story. So that was the video on how to reverse videos on Snapchat. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to tune in next time, and that's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.